great maki wraps a delicate balance of flavors into a roll that also delights the eyes. Your roll must be in the uramaki style, which means it's rolled inside out.
Okay, the first test you do for maki, make sure it doesn't fall apart. Hold it like this and turn. So obviously it's well constructed.
Thank you.
But taste is
king. Oh, God, where's my mat?
The real trick is the last step, laying out the rice and rolling.
And remember, this is a backwards, upside-down maki roll, which means the rice is on the outside.
My rice still has a little bit of excess moisture, so I try putting a second nori sheet on the other side. That way, when you roll it up, that will help keep it together.
Very rolled the wrong way.
1 minute! You only have 1 more minute left. Get the toppings on. Go.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Come on. Use the 1 minute.
Andy, you gotta start plating.
Gotta start plating. Nice, Jen.
Thank you.
30 seconds. Get those maki onto a plate. Do this.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Trim that down, Marissa.
That's gonna be big.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Wow, good for you.
That was borderline cruel.
Oh, I'm sweating. I kind of feel like I'm gonna pass out, but I am so unbelievably proud that I got an entire maki roll on the plate in 25 minutes. They brought me back for a damn good reason.
Hi, Jen.
Hi, Chef Alvin. So I made a ginger soy tuna roll, and I put some crispy asparagus tempura just for a little bit of crunch.
Okay, the first test you do for maki, make sure it doesn't fall apart. Hold it like this and turn. So obviously it's well constructed.
Thank you.
But taste is
king.
I like it. I think it's got nice flavor coming from the tuna.
Thank you.
It's well seasoned, maybe a little bit more filling.
Okay.
But other than that, the flavors are right, the texture is holding. This is definitely a maki to look forward to.
Thank you so much.
Andy, how are you?
Wonderful, Chef. Thank you.
So, what did you make here?
So I made a tempura scallop and topped that with tuna and mango.
Wow, a lot of rice.
A lot of rice.
It's good, not great. I love the right, clean flavors. Unfortunately, your rice to ingredient ratio is a bit off.
Fair.
Keep pushing yourself.
Thank you, Chef.
Wow, Marissa,
Chef
looks
Alvin.
interesting. Tell me what you made.
So I prepared for you today a surf and turf maki. We have a tempura shrimp on the inside, and on top you have Wagyu hot sear.
So I think the presentation, all the middle piece should be about the same size. Consistency is important. Well, tastes a lot better than it looks.
Thank you, Chef.
The meat's very tender. I think the tempura is done nicely,
Thank you, Chef.
but get that tight wrapped, and then every single piece will look nice. Taste is king, but looks is important.
Thank you, Chef. The meat was cooked perfectly. It packed the punch that I was hoping for. I'm feeling really, really good about that.
Hello, Barry.
Chef,
Tell me about your maki, please.
this is fish and chips maki. It's got tempura crab, tempura asparagus, and the chips are crispy leek.
Well, it does look beautiful,
Thank you, Chef.
but it doesn't meet the brief. The rice should be on the outside.
I did 2 layers of nori.
I'm not sure that still meets the brief.
There was just a lot of residual moisture in the rice.
I see.
And so in order to take care of some of that, a second layer of nori on the outside.
Let's see how it all tastes. It's a little on the dry side for me, but it presents really well. I think you turned this dish around as best you possibly could.
I think that this isn't my best effort, but I still don't think that this is the worst dish on the counter.
Christopher, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Chef Claudio. So this is a vegetarian-style sushi filled with a miso-glazed eggplant, pickled daikon, and a tempura enoki mushroom.
Wow, this looks great.
Thank you, Chef.
The rice is a textbook, perfectly cooked. The filling is interesting, but could use a little more flavor. Your desserts are incredible, but your savory is really catching up.
Thank you, Chef.
Definitely someone to keep an eye on in this kitchen.
Thank you.
Really great.